Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. Today we are going to discuss about the best free premium courses that you can use to learn AI, web development and digital marketing. This video is divided into three major parts. The first part we are covering the AI part, in the second part we are covering the web development part, in the last part we are going to cover the digital marketing part. In this video there are many more surprises hidden, so please try not to skip the video, okay, and watch till the end. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So if you want to learn AI, then at first you have to learn the Python. And for Python, there is a great course in the YouTube. Okay, so this is a playlist of Python by Cody Schaefer, and he cover all the aspects of Python in detail. Okay, if you want to learn Python in depth, then you can follow his course. Okay, after you have learned Python, then you have to know the basics of machine learning. For that, there is also a course in YouTube by the Andrew Ng. Just search for machine learning Andrew Ng and you can get this playlist. Okay, here in this playlist there are 112 videos and each videos is just 10 to 12 minutes long, and here you can get in-depth concepts about the machine learning. After finishing the machine learning, you have to learn the deep learning part. Okay, it is very interesting. In the deep learning is very interesting for everyone, for every machine learning experts. Okay, and here I have a great course for you, and this is the Introduction to Deep Learning by Alexander Emini. Okay, this course is taught in MIT, and it is very recent course updated. It is updated on January 27, 2020. Okay, this is a playlist actually, and you can get all the aspects of deep learning here in the course. Okay, after that, in the technical background, if you want to means learn any technical skills other than AI, okay, so Google has a site called Google Digital Garage. Okay, all the links are given in the description below so that you can just easily get all this site. Okay, so in the Google Digital Garage, you can here in the website we have 126 course total. Okay, the first course, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, is includes a certification also, and you can have a vast majority of topics of the data intake, digital marketing, career development, etc. And you can just skim through it and you can get your course with in no time. Okay, after that we have the courses from the Great Learning. Okay, this is a very popular website, and actually the courses of the Great Learning are very expensive, and I can show you the price for the classroom mode. It charges around 2,50,000 Indian rupees. Okay, and for the online mode it just charges 1,50,000 Indian rupees. And but for this time you can get the courses for free. Okay, you can get the courses for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data, finance, comprehensive technology, industry, etc. Okay. Now, after that, I have also another website called Udacity. Okay. And in this website, you can get many free courses. Okay. But this site has a paid nano degree program. Okay. For this nano degree, you have to pay a huge amount of money, but it has also some free courses, and you can take the free courses and you can take the leverage of that free courses. Okay, all the machine learning and AI part is done, and now just talk about the web development. When I say about web development, the first thing come into my mind is the Free Code Camp. This is a awesome website, okay, for learning web development, and it covers every aspect of web development. Okay, and we have also a website called MDN. MDN. Okay, let's search it. Okay, MDN is the Mozilla Developer Network. Okay, this MDN covers all the front-end technologies. Okay, if you have enough time, then just read through it, and it is just reading-based website. And here in the free code camp, you can have reading and also the video tutorials. You also have some certification courses here, and all are free. Okay, you can get all the certificates for free. It just covers the responsive web design, the HTML, CSS stuff, and JavaScript, front-end libraries like React, Angular, Vue, and the data visualization, APIs, microservices. API is very important, and information security and quality assurance. And it also covers an additional topic about the coding interview preparation. Okay. For web development, if you are new into web development, just take these certification courses one by one after another, and after completing all these courses you are just expert in the web development. Take my words, okay? And now let's come to the digital marketing courses. Okay, I have a very interesting courses here by href. Okay, and this is called blogging for business. Okay, actually this course is a paid course, but for the coronavirus they give these courses for free. And here in this course, if you want to means do blogging for the next couple of years, then you must enroll for these courses. Okay, in this 5-hour course you can just learn every aspect of blogging. If you want to be a digital marketing expert, then you have to know just basics of means business education. Okay, for that I have a course for you, and the course name is Do Your Ventures. Okay, this course is presented to you by IIM Bangalore. Okay, and this course is for free in the edx platform. All the links you can get from the description below. Okay, now after that I have also a course on the writing skills. Okay, and if you are a YouTuber or a blogger or any other means career, you have to have a means good writing skills. Okay, without a good writing skills you cannot present your ideas to others. Okay, you can take these free courses from the Open Learn. Okay, the course is the Start Writing Fictions. Okay, and now this is a time for my surprise. Okay, I have some surprise for you. And actually in the world nothing is free. Okay, so I have a paid course for you. If you are a web developer, and if you want to learn JavaScript based web development, means the front end is the JavaScript and the back end is also JavaScript. Okay, so that I have a course for you. Okay, and this is not a free course, this is paid courses, or you can think that it is a bonus for you. This is the March Tech courses, and here in this course the instructor Hitesh Chaudhary means teach you MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Okay, the Express and Node are the backend technologies, and the React.js is the front end, and MongoDB is just a database. Okay, and this course is just starting from the 199 rupees. Okay, and this is for very limited time, and you take my word that this is a best course you can get in this price range. Okay, so if you have any feedback, then please comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please share and subscribe with your friends. Okay, so that's for today guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.